Hi, here's Wodek, and I wanted to share with you how I applied a very cool strategy when I was a personal development trainer, and I used to teach people how to read faster. So here's a very cool this very cool technique or strategy, and I taught almost 1,000 people to read faster. Actually, in a year, maybe a year and above, a little above, and this is a strategy that I found because I was sick of the traditional networking. I didn't like to go to networking events to talk to the people one by one. It was so frustrating. And yeah, I decided to be strategic and used this one to many approach because I had a colleague that told me, yeah, you have to use the one to many approach. You have to sell to, one to many, and this is your way to the freedom. And the second thing that I've done, uh, I found partners that were serving the same ICP, so the ideal client mm, profile, and they wasn't my competition. So uh, we could cooperate without hesitation, without the doubt that we will um, yeah uh, come each other in a way, yeah, uh, and uh, take from each other the clients. So this is the second thing that I have done here, and I went offline. I back in those the days that was 15 years ago or something like that. I there Facebook wasn't there, LinkedIn wasn't there, and I just went offline. Uh, I thought, okay, this will be cool because um, I will take care of the food. I will take care of the people. We will meet with each other, and this will be, yeah, quite pleasant because people like to meet with each other. They like to eat, and yeah, why not? And I picked some cool training rooms. Uh, Guys, this strategy works till until now. Today we have 2025. I have still clients that use this strategy, and it still works. I'm just doing that right now, and I see people that all the time are cooperating with each other um, and doing this, but they are doing this online. Yeah, so they don't have to worry about offline because nowadays we have a lot of platforms we can use. So and I offered value. Did it before asking for anything. Like Jerry V says, jab, 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 and right hook. And I asked them if I can run a free workshop. I used this with schools, I used this with partners, JV partners, with business clubs, and so on and so on. And I showed them testimonials if they were like unsure, if this will work. I was like, okay, so here are the testimonials. If you want to see a video testimonial, hey, here it is. And I handed the video of proof to them, and I showed up often, very often. Uh, I did one workshop every week. When there were only three people that wanted to show up, I still run the workshop, because three people are three people. They can refer me to 10 people or 17 people or 30 people. Why not? Yeah. So I recommend you guys to do this strategy. And yeah, if you want, just reach out to me on Facebook, on LinkedIn. I will put the links here on under the video, and you can also join my group. It's free. So just bye.